Last summer, something new arrived in the fertile flatlands of California. Might look like an ordinary Krone baler, but this is something that Krone reckons is set to revolutionise the baling world. The HDP2 is capable of cramming 30% more weight into a standard 3 foot by 4 foot bale, but more impressive than that is that it can run at over double the speed of its predecessors. Last summer, it joined the 5-strong fleet of M Custom Farming based at Stockton in California. Each of their 5 balers usually racks up 20,000 bales a year, so it was a good place to test out the new machine. With wall-to-wall sunshine and bucket loads of water for irrigation, M are able to make up to 7 cuts of alfalfa hay a year, most of which goes for export to places like Vietnam and Japan. But with such a heavy workload, things that limit downtime, like hydraulically raising and lowering string lockers capable of holding up to 52 balls of string, make a real difference. The monster flywheel on the new baler weighs nearly 600 kilos and as such needs a hydraulic motor to get things started before the tractor PTO kicks in. The main gearbox is rated to over 1600 horsepower and it generates over 30% greater compression force than a standard machine. What that means is that it can produce bales up to 600 kilos in weight, but with that came a problem in prototype testing. Being so heavy, the bales were busting open with just the standard 6 strings, so 8 knotters had to be squeezed in on the top of the machine. But the M team found a problem with that. Being so tightly crammed in, the knotters would accumulate debris which could cause problems. The German engineering team's solution was to fit a full-width blower box to keep them clear at all times, leaving the M team to carry on day and night at speeds of up to 15 kilometers an hour.